guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thanks for coming back. Today, IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Funny enough, I checked my email this morning and it said it was still processing. How about that? So first we have Christmas cards. All right, the first one is from Sunny, from Sunny's Place. Thank you, Sunny. Just went to the mailbox and I got these, so gotta open it. Happy holidays. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Love it. Thank you, Sunny's Place. She's such a sweetheart. And the next one is Barbara Jean. Oh, Barbara Jean. I love this stamp. Look at the stamp. Woo. All right. See, nothing in there. And this one is bejeweled. Look at the dazzling jewels on there. Merry Christmas. I love it. Thank you so much. I hope you and Miss Sunny have a wonderful holiday season. Okay, so these are going to go next to the tree. I might have too many. I might have to put them on the wall. Thank you so much, ladies. And let's get into this Glam Bag Plus for the month of November. $25 if you want to see what 5 full-size products I got. Okay, so for IPSY Glam Bag Plus, you get to pick 3 out of the 5 full-size products. Here is the bag. Ooh, it's so soft and fuzzy. It's like a robe. All right, and we got some extras in here. Okay, card. And there's nothing in here, but it talks about your hair and your skin. So home for the holidays is the theme for the month. And they're advertising for their Glam Bag X. It's nice, it has like this interior in there. All right, so I know I added on this OFRA highlighter and it is blissful, very pretty. Oh, I got the Wander Beauty Skyliner in jet black. Okay, never tried this, but it's sealed, taped. I did add, this was my choice, the LaRouche brushes, because I have gotten them before, and they're very nice. Let's see. It's 4 face brushes. Complex Culture Full-Time Eyeshadow Palette. This was what they picked for me. Very nice packaging. These are the shades. Very pretty. Never tried their product. The Shayna B Miami. This is the blush and highlighter palette. I got the eyeshadow palette last time. Ooh, very pretty. Luster Cream Eyeshadow from Ciate London. This is in Cupid. And it's a liquid gloss. And I also added on the Sunday Riley CEO cream, the vitamin C rich hydration cream, and this is 1.7 ounces. So very happy with my bag as usual. So I got this, I added on. I got this Complex Culture palette, a blush and highlighter palette, Ciate London eyeshadow, Wander Beauty eyeliner, and face brushes. 25 bucks. Not bad. And I added on the OFRA highlighter, of course. So, what did you guys think about this bag? Do you think it's worth it? Do you have IPSY? If you don't have IPSY, I do have a link in the description box. I only receive points. So that was it for the month of December. Nice themed red bag. And I love it. Thanks again for Sunny and Miss Barbara Jean for sending me Christmas cards. Thank you. And as always, guys, stay safe.